Hi, this is Heather from Heather B Co. I wanted to kind of show you a little bit about the Erin Condren binder and show you that the page lifters, how I use my page lifters in my binder. I know that that's been an issue ongoing with this binder. I know a lot of people don't like it. When I first got my binder, that was one of the issues I had, so I went ahead and came up with my own page lifter to help me close the book and everything so that the pages didn't get caught up. So I decorated the front, the cover and everything too, but I use actually two. I have one in the front, and then I also have one all the way in the back. And so what the page lifter is meant to do is mine is very thick. It's laminated with a 10 ml. It's a piece of cardstock or whatever I have. And I punch the holes to where when it's in there and you want to close the binder, it slides. You see how it slides across the back cover? And so it keeps those pages from getting caught. I hope that makes sense. Now I do have, let's see. So let's say we open to this, which is not used, and then I'm doing everything, I'm finished or whatever, and I'm ready to, so you see how it's sliding on the back cover, and so it's lifting those pages so that they don't get caught, as well as on the front cover, so it closes flat. And see, there we go, open. We can flip to anything. Let's flip to August, and again, you see how they're both sliding to lift those pages, like you can tell, like right here. Oh, here we go. Okay, so lifting, close it, and it closes perfect. And you can get these in my shop. I offer them in glitter. I have different colored glitters. I'm kind of low on the colors right now, only because, with the COVID-19, supplies have been a bit limited. Some of my local shops have been shut down for a couple of months now, so I do have some limited colors left in the glitter, but I also offer in watercolor that are a little bit less expensive, just because the supplies cost a little bit less. And there we go. That's how it works. Let me try to close it using this one again. Okay, so again, you see how it's sliding, and so if you have pages right here, let's maybe try one page. You have a page right here. If you would close it without it, let's do that. Hello, here we go. Okay, so if you would close it without, you see how the pages get stuck? And they're gonna be stuck, here we go. They'll be stuck right there, and it's gonna bend all your pages. So if we, and then we put the page lifter in. We're gonna close just like I did, and let me do this, sorry. Let me put a page here so you can see what's happening. Okay, so that's the one page that was just stuck. So it's lifting that page up to where that it doesn't get stuck. And there you go, nothing. Oh, here we go. Nothing stuck. All right, so that's how your page lifters work. Thank you much to Sarah for reaching out to me to do this video, and I hope that getting a page lifter, whether it's from me or anywhere else, I hope that getting a page lifter will help you love your binders even more. Thanks.